Nowadays, sustainability and environmental jobs have become very prime domain, and students from geography do find good lucrative options there. Now, what is really important to understand, when the SDGs were given, the sustainable development goals were given, even if we go on to schools, they are trying to implement SDGs in some form or the other. Even if we go for any event which is being organized, be it an innovation event, be it a science event, students are asked to develop models and concepts based on the SDG goals or the sustainable development goals. That means sustainability becomes a prime focus with rising climate change, global warming, and erratic environmental conditions. There is definitely a huge demand for scientists who can work in the field of environment. Now, to address these issues, there are opportunities in private sector. There are opportunities with NGOs, with government agencies. Some of the major domains includes environmental policy formations. For example, NGT is one such organization working in the same domain in India. Then there is important works with data analysis, project management, environmental problem solving skills, policy development, implementations of policy. So all this become some of the major areas in which you can actually refine your skills and develop. So those are some of the important things that you must keep into light into your vision before you finalize which domain actually you want to pursue. Thanks for joining in. We would definitely be coming up with another lectures where we would be coming up with a series of lectures focusing on the top institutes where you can do your environmental courses and pursue your higher studies. Thanks for joining in.